Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna do a little project. Well, not like a project, more like parts installation. We got Danny over here is gonna help us out, point out the parts with a little finger. So this, I got this whole package from ENJUKU Racing. I got the, we use the finger over there. I got ISR Pro arms. So we got the point it. We got the tension rods. We got traction arms. And then we got the rear toe arms. The camber, I already have the camber inside the car. I bought it like a few weeks before, so I ended up buying the rest of the parts. Reason why I went with the ISR, it was like somewhat cheaper than other brands, and then I only heard like good reviews about it. So I mean, that's so I went with that brand. So I mean they're pretty beefy. So I mean, you know, look at this thing. And we got the traction arms. Welds are pretty nice. And then the toe arms. There you go. Okay, so we're gonna lift the car up in the air, and then we're gonna start putting the parts. So give me a second, I'll put the car in the air. Okay guys, we got the car up in the air. So I got the Fortunatos. I think it's the 6th gen. So we're gonna go down here. So here, I think you guys, yeah, you can see it. So there's a camber arms that I got. So that's on it. So we're gonna be replacing. So this is the tension, the toe arm. My bad, toe arm. And then we go on this side. This is the traction arm, and then obviously we got the camber arm. So we're gonna be replacing those two arms on this side, and then two arms on that side, and then we go to the front. Let me go around this car, and then we're gonna be replacing the factory tension rod. This is the tension rod, and then I bought the ones with the angle. So whenever I get an angle kit, I won't have to worry about like upgrading the tension rods. Okay, we're gonna start with the tension rods on the front, and then we're gonna work our way back to the back arms. So I'm gonna take this arm out, and we're gonna put the new one on. You're gonna notice this one is longer than this one. So it's supposed to go like this. So you put the longer one on the outer side. Why? I don't know. It's because it goes like that. That's the way they designed it. Okay. So, you know, don't put it like this. There you go. Don't put it like this. Put it like this on the outer side. If you got questions about it, call ISR and ask them, because I don't have an answer for that. I'm assuming it's because it pushes the tension rod further inside. Because if you put it this side, well, obviously, you know, with the big one on the inside, it will push it out. So this will be in. Okay, we're gonna, oh shit. I'm gonna put the arm on, and don't forget, try to use the old one. This is what the other lifters say. Try to match it, the length. So try to match this two straight, and then try to match it to this one. So when you do alignment on it, it'll be close to the right specs, and you don't have to be adjusting multiple times. So remember, loosen this ones and stretch the arm. Not stretch it, but like unscrew it from this thread hole, whatever, and try to match it with this one. Alright guys, to make this easier, so I grabbed one of them and I adjusted it the same length as this one. So to make it easier, let me turn the light on. Once you put the ISR arm here and it fits on point through that hole over there, and then the two 17s right here, to make it easier, you can just grab the other arm and then just readjust it to the same. You see it? The same. Alright guys, we're done with this side already with both tension rods, and Cleo decided to show up. And he brought us some pot belly to feed us, because alright guys, the front is done already. we're working on the back right now. So we're working on the, where is it? The toe arm. I took this one out so we can replace it. And if you get the same, the Pro tension toe arms for the back, make sure that when you get it, it's gonna come in with a S14 spacer. So it came in this little bag, spacers for the S13. So they're a lot shorter here, so it slides on the frame. These ones are a lot longer, so it won't fit. So make sure you replace them. So make sure you get this little bag so you can replace it. We got Danny over here trying to put back the little bushing, a little dust cover that goes inside there.
Yeah, they were good. Sweet.
So make sure you do the same thing with this one. You grab it and then you pretty much just measure it, with the other one. You can see the big difference. This is like a flimsy arm. If you compare it to this one, so it's a lot bigger. And this one has a little. When you lower your car, make sure you get this one. It's supposed to help with the way the suspension sits on the car, because the car squats pretty much when it's lower. So you get this one, it kind of helps it, the tires being straight, not like crooked. Oh shit! So, great. All right, guys, I got the car up in the air. It's day number 2. I was having some issues with the alignment issue, but I got everything worked out. So I got myself from the back so I can show you guys. Get some light here. Let me go this one better so you guys can see. Okay, so here's my subframe. Okay, so I got the toe arms installed already, and if you look all the way back there, I got there you go. I got the camber, and I got the traction arms all the way back there. So putting on the arms was pretty simple. Pretty straightforward. Like I said, when you take the old one out, try to adjust it the same length as this one, and it will make things a lot easier. I don't know if you guys do the alignment or someone else, but it makes things a lot easier. So when you put on the car, you can align the whole thing. So that's the arms. Oh, that's live here. That's the arms. I'm running a Fortunato 500 I think the Gen 6. Not the last one. The Gen 7 just came out. Now let's move to the front. Okay, we're in the front now. I got the light going on so you guys can see. So I got my tension rods already set up on the car. So you see the angle here, just so you guys know when you turn the wheel, it's not gonna hit. So I got this side already. And I got my Siki sway bar. I got a small oil leak here. Well, it's not small, it's kind of big. I gotta fix it. The cam seal is going on. But yeah, that's pretty much the whole installation. Okay, let me go and show you this real quick. These are called riv nuts. I didn't want to use rivets because you gotta drill them out, if you want to take the panel. So if you guys ever want to upgrade to this, so you grab, there you go, focus. You can grab an Allen screw. See, it has like threads inside the riv nut, and all you do is just screw it on, and you can take your panels whenever you want. So it's a nice upgrade. It's not that expensive. Maybe the tool is a little expensive, but your car will look a lot better with this. You can take them out whenever you need to. So just keep that in mind. Alright guys, pretty much this is the end of the video. All my videos right now is being about like putting parts on the car because it's a winter build. So I'm trying to build a car for the events coming up. There's like a whole bunch of events coming up. So I got 3 more things to finish the car building and it should be ready for the next event. But so far, this is how the car looks like. I mean, this just looks, because you know the car has to look good so when you're drifting, you know, the wheels. So I was trying to run more like to 0 camber on the back because I've been using too much tire from the inside because the car's, you know, it's a little lowered. So more, not more, but I mean camber closer to 0 so I can use the whole entire tire. But pretty much that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you get any questions, let me know. Or if you guys want to tell me something that I don't know, I appreciate that. But make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. And here, let me give you a little finish touch. Change my my background on my CD7. For the ones that know, that's Pulp Fiction. I found that background on the Google. So I mean, why not, you know, change it up. But I see you guys in the next video. Hopefully something cool. Hopefully next drift event comes up and I'll record the whole entire drift event. But thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.